The golden pheasant, Chrysolophus pictus, is a stunningly beautiful bird native to the dense forests and mountainous regions of western China. Also known as the Chinese pheasant or red golden pheasant, it is one of the most recognizable and admired members of the pheasant family, Phasianidae. Renowned for its vivid and vibrant plumage, the golden pheasant is a favorite among bird enthusiasts and has earned a place as one of the most iconic and sought-after avian species in the world. Physical appearance. The golden pheasant exhibits remarkable sexual dimorphism, with distinct differences in appearance between males and females. Males are brilliantly colored and truly captivating. They have a golden-yellow crest on their head, which gives the bird its common name. Their upper back and wings display a mixture of copper, brown, and black feathers, while the lower back and rump boast bright red and orange plumage. The tail is long and striking, consisting of dark and light bands of color with a central eye-catching red stripe. The male's chest and underparts are a lustrous golden yellow hue. Females, on the other hand, have more subdued plumage. They possess a mottled brown coloration to blend in with their natural environment, offering better protection while incubating eggs or raising chicks. Female golden pheasants are equipped with a slenderer crest and lack the flamboyant colors of their male counterparts. Behavior and habitat. Golden pheasants are generally solitary birds, but they may form small groups during non-breeding seasons. They are predominantly terrestrial and spend much of their time foraging on the forest floor for seeds, berries, insects, and small invertebrates. Their diet varies depending on the availability of food in their specific habitat. These pheasants inhabit a range of environments, including dense coniferous and broadleaf forests, bamboo thickets, and the undergrowth of mixed woodlands. They are also known to inhabit mountainous regions, where they can be found at elevations of up to 3,000 meters, approximately 9,800